Hello guys! It is 10:22 ng gabi. Kakarating lang namin ng bahay galing football. Nanonood kami ng football guys. And magbe-bake kami ng banana bread kasi nanonood sila ng fruity stuff. Magbe-bake kami ng banana bread kasi bukas Mother's Day and pupunta kami sa bahay ng mama niya. We will have breakfast there. And dala-dala kami ng pagkain. Actually, yung mama niya nagsabi, magdala kayo ng banana bread kasi last time, I think, nag-bake ako ng banana bread and parang nagustuhan niya. So, sabi niya, dala ka ng banana bread. And then, yung kambal niya, I think, what will Aunt bring, babe? Do you know? Wala guys. Busy siya. Di niya ako narinig. Anyway, I'll go ahead and prepare the ingredients. Sasamahan ako ni Dan sa pag-bake nito. So, it's gonna be the mag-asawa time again for the baking time. Charot. Yung ifa-follow namin na recipe is from simplyrecipes.com. Alam niyo naman i-spell yun. simplyrecipes.com. And yung sinearch ko lang is banana bread recipe. And siya yung pinakaunang lumalabas. Banana bread recipe, simplyrecipes.com. Sobrang dali lang guys. And sobrang konti lang ng ingredients. Hindi siya complicated at all. So, ipe-prepare ko na yung ingredients natin. And then, magsisimula tayo mag-bake maya-maya lang. Guys, isa sa mga recipe is softened butter. So, ilalagay ko lang yung butter sa microwave ng siguro mga 15 seconds lang para lang ma-soften yung butter natin. I ended up microwaving it siguro mga una 15, tapos 10, tapos 5. Kasi dapat mo siyang obserbahan. Kasi kapag natagalan siya dun, anong tawag dun? Tatalsik yung butter. Tapos, madudumihan yung microwave. Tip of the day. Okay guys, so, welcome babe. Nandito na yung ating mga ingredients. So, we will need 2 to 3 very ripe bananas. So, itong mga bananas na to, we got it last weekend.
Yep.
Saturday. And today is Saturday as well. So, it's been a week here. And ganito na siya. Very, very ripe. We have 5 bananas here, babe.
Too many.
So, yeah. So, I will use 3 and this is for tomorrow. Do you want to make another batch?
Nah.
No? Okay, so, set aside, babe. I'm not using that then. So, we got 3 bananas. We need 1/3 cup of softened butter. So, yun yung pinakita ko sa inyo kanina. It's softened, so that's already measured, yeah. Now we need to beat this egg. That's your...
I'm the beater.
You're the beater. That's your specialty, babe. Beat it, babe. We need a teaspoon of baking soda. So we have baking soda here. A teaspoon, guys. Ililive ko yung link ng recipe below if you guys are interested. So
this is our secret family recipe.
It's not secret.
Secret family recipe.
Not anymore. Yeah, so...
Do they know what you make? Have you told them?
Yeah, I told them.
Okay.
You can tell them again.
Nah, that's alright.
A pinch of salt. So, maya na yan, guys. And then, ito din, 1 teaspoon lang din. So, mamaya na din yan. And we will also need 3/4 cup.
3/4 of a cup.
Okay. 3/4 of a cup of sugar. Pero, I have baked this many times na. I always use 1/2 cup lang.
This is sugar-free sugar. So it's healthy for you.
It's not.
Sugar-free sugar.
So, 1/2 cup lang yung ginagamit ko, guys. If you like it sweet, then go for the... Ano nga ulit tawag nun? How do you call it? 3/4 cup?
3/4 of a cup.
3/4. Gawin yung 3/4. Pero ako, 1/2 cup lang talaga. And yeah, you don't find it like too sweet, right?
No.
My recipe? Char! My recipe. So, 1/2 cup. We will just use this.
1/2 cup of sugar?
Yeah.
I bet it's 3/4 of a cup.
3/4, but I'm using 1/2 because I don't want it to be too sweet. The recipe says 3/4 or whatever that is.
3/4?
3/4 or 1/2 cup if you don't want it to be too sweet.
Okay.
So, because we're already sweet people, hindi na natin kailangan ng super sweet na banana bread, babe. So, we will do 1/2 cup.
Alright.
Yeah. And like, sa totoo lang, hindi ko nga finu-full talaga yung 1/2 cup ng sugar kasi ayoko talaga siya na sobrang tamis, guys. Like, ganito, as in almost full, but not quite there. So, that's the sugar. Now, maya na yan, babe. Vanilla extract. So we don't have the extract, we have the essence.
Same.
Yeah, so instead of 1 teaspoon, kasi yung nasa recipe 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, I will be using more actually kasi hindi siya as concentrated as the extract because it's just the essence, like, you know, liquid, very liquidy niya. So, I don't know, we'll just eye it. Babe, we will eye it. Yeah, because it says 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract.
Just do 1 teaspoon of that.
No.
Is that stronger or weaker?
Weaker. That's why I will need to add more. 1.5 cups of this.
Flour.
Yep. So we're preheating the oven, guys. 175 degrees Celsius, or what is it in Fahrenheit?
Doesn't matter. We live in Australia. Celsius.
350 degrees Fahrenheit. So in the mixing bowl, mash the ripe bananas. Oh, this is gonna be good. Do you have any techniques smashing that?
Good wrist action.
What?
Good wrist action to
What's that?
smash a banana. Just a strong wrist.
Wrist?
Yeah. And good motion.
Good.
Just like back and forward, up and down, up and down. Smash, 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 smash.
That's pretty easy to smash because it's very, very ripe.
I'm used to this.
You're used to smashing?
I'm used to smashing bananas.
You're doing it right, babe. Mash the ripe bananas with a fork until completely smooth. Now you need to put the butter in there, babe. The softened butter. And then stir. Stir, 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 stir. Nice. Now we will need to add the baking soda. 1 teaspoon, babe.
That's half a teaspoon. That's half a...
That's tablespoon.
That is a tablespoon.
That's a teaspoon.
That's a teaspoon.
Hello. Oh my gosh, we will fail. No, make sure it's flat as well. Don't push it. No. Take.
That's fine.
Okay. Now 1 teaspoon of baking soda, char. And then now a pinch of salt.
That's a pinch.
Oh.
It is, isn't it?
Okay. Sugar. Can you get the mixer?
Yeah.
Wait. So now it looks like that. Kita nyo ba, guys? Hindi ko pa na-stir yung sugar. Pero, yan, na-add na namin yung sugar. That's 1 beaten egg. So, mix-mix lang to, guys. Vanilla extract.
Okay.
So, now add, maybe,
That
instead
much?
of a teaspoon, 2 teaspoons.
That much?
Yeah, 2 of that. 1, 2. So, again, kung extract yung gagamitin nyo, 1 teaspoon lang, ha?
Okay.
So, slowly incorporate the flour. Okay. Wait, stop.
Can we do that?
Yeah, do that. Yan yung half pa ng flour, guys. And then, i-add namin mamaya-maya lang lahat na ng flour. Thank you. And guys, yun lang. Yun lang yung mga ingredients. Pagkatapos mo na itong i-stir lahat, ibabutter mo yung, yung lalagyan mo para i-bake siya. Okay. Okay, stop. Na kapag na-stir na maayos lahat, ganyan na siya. Wala na nakikitang mga hilaw na flour. Well, hilaw pa din naman to, pero wala na nakikitang powder ba? Actually, non-stick naman to, pero binabutter pa rin namin siya. Dirty.
It's not dirt.
It is.
That's not dirt.
What are you doing?
Tasting.
Oh, stop!
You can taste it. A good chef tastes their food.
Hala, nakalimutan ko kung anong size nitong guys. Itong ginagamit namin. Pero yeah, may size yan. Parang, yung...
That's all we need.
No!
You can eat that.
Ang dami pang natitira. Is it actually good, babe?
Oh, yeah.
No, you're kidding.
It's good. I'm
It
serious.
can't be good. Yeah! You're so disgusting. Guys, ganyan na yung itsura niya. Ilalagay na namin siya sa oven. So, you will bake this for 50 minutes to 1 hour. Kapag ako nagta-timer ako, after 50 minutes, chine-check ko siya. Iba din talaga siya, guys. Ibang-iba din talaga siya. Now, it's time for the bear to ligpit-ligpit. Okay, so i-wrap ko yung mga gift namin, guys, para sa mama niya. Napakita ko na to sa vlog ko, pero we got her the Daisy Dream Marc Jacobs na perfume at saka lotion. Mabango to eh. Pinaamoy nila sa amin yung tatlong Marc Jacobs, and ito yung sa lahat pinaka nagustuhan ko. And feeling ko magugustuhan niya din. So we got that for her. And then, nung nagpunta kami ni Dan ng Harbor Town, we got this for her as well. Ano siya, guys? Fridge magnet. I'm not sure if makikita nyo. Pero, kita nyo ba? Ang sabi niya, guys, is, sabi niya, thanks for being such an awesome mom. And then, we got her this as well. Dun sa, I think sa ano, typo. Ang cute nito. Sabi, Happy Mother's Day to who? Yan. $1. Actually, hindi nga to $1 eh. Ano nga to eh? 10 cards for $1. I think, was it 10 cards for $1?
Yeah, but that's from a different year. That's not from that batch.
Ay, iba to.
From last year.
So, $1. Oh, we got it last year.
Last
Last year
year.
pa namin ito nabili, guys. $1 lang. And then, we have a fun present here as well. Ano siya, guys? It is a fun present. Para lang ano. Tinutukso niya yung mama niya. Guys, so ready na yung dalawang gift natin para kay mommy. We're good. So, hintayin lang natin na ma-bake yung ano, guys, bread. And okay na tayo. Kasi hindi din namin matitikman yun. Kasi dadalhin namin yun bukas. Bahala na. Bahala na si Batman sa lasa nun. Yay. Oh, babe, you need to write something on the card.
Yep.
Oh, you're writing it? Yeah. I need to remember to charge this battery as well. Mag-skincare na lang tayo, guys. While hinihintay natin na maluto yun. Gabing-gabi na, guys. Anong oras na? 11:13 ng gabi. Okay, skincare tayo. Tara. Ayan, naka-skincare na tayo, guys. Nag-mask ako. While hinihintay natin yung ating banana bread. Mga ganitong oras, nasa bed na kami, guys. Chill-chill na. Kaya lang may banana bread tayong hinihintay. Naka-outfit na din ako. Oh, pantulog. Na, ano ko to? Sa Gearbest. Gearbest ba to? Gearbest or... Yeah, I think Gearbest. Tapos I'm wearing socks na bigay sa akin ni Jobelita. Thank you, Belle. Thank you, Belle. Tingnan mo. Sushi. Yan.
Here it is.
Ang cute. Belle from Makati.
Oh, really? Wow.
Yeah. Look.
Yeah,
They're
cool.
different as well.
I like them.
Kasi yung gamit ko na socks, guys, kasi malamig na, nagsasocks na ako lagi. Yung gamit ko na socks na galing kay Kmart, yung fluffy, natatanggal siya, guys, kasi hindi siya, ano dito, tight. Wala siyang, parang yung elastic niya ba, hindi na ganun ka-strong. So, natatanggal siya, like, nagising ako ng mga siguro alas 3 kagabi. And wala na yung isang sako, tapos hindi na siya mahanap kasi naano na siya sa, sa quilt. Nawala na siya sa quilt. Pero ito maganda. Ang cute. Thank you, be. Meron pa ako dun cactus. I have a cactus one as well. Hindi naman ako pinapakinggan. Chill-chill lang kami, guys. While hinihintay namin na maluto yung ano. What are you watching? Oh, Sisi. Sisi's video. He's watching Sisi's video. Chill-chill kami, guys. May hinihintay namin yung ano namin.
Sissy playing golf.
She is, yeah.
No one is.
Guys, nag-ano na yung alarm ko. So, 50 minutes na. Itatry na namin siya. Ooh, looks good.
Looks good.
Yeah, no, not that.
Not yet.
Not yet? Oh my gosh, of course. Okay, guys, 10 minutes more and then it should be ready. Guys, we think it's ready.
That looks good.
It looks really good. The thing is, we can't taste it kasi ano. Yeah, no, that's all good, babe.
Yeah, okay, that's good.
Yeah, take it out. Careful, it's hot. Ayan, guys. Yan yung ating banana bread. It's a bummer kasi hindi natin siya matitikman today kasi dadalhin namin to bukas. Okay, let's close this vlog then.
Just look how good it looks.
Looks really good. Do you want to do a thumbnail?
Look at that, it's perfect.
It is. No, it looks really, really good.
good.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yum. Okay, thank you for helping me, babe.
That's alright.
Alright guys, yun na yung vlog namin. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget. Be good. Bye guys. Good night. Good night, babe. Bye. Mwah.